Generally, ligands are neutral or negatively charged, but in sodium nitroprusside, the complex formed is brown ring test for nitrate ion has NO as NO plus, nitrosonium. Coordination polyhedra. The spatial arrangement of the ligand atoms, which are directly attached to the central atom, defines a coordination polyhedra about the central atom. The most common coordination polyhedra are octahedral, square planar, and tetrahedral complexes. When there are 6 ligands, it is octahedral. Four ligands may be tetrahedral or square planar. Homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes. If in the complex compounds all ligands are same, only one kind of donor groups, it is called homoleptic. But if more than one kind of donor groups are there, it is called heteroleptic. Then is homonuclear and polynuclear complexes. Complexes in which only one metal atom is present are known as homonuclear complexes. And complexes in which more than one metal atom is present, it is known as polynuclear complex. Perfect and imperfect complexes. Complexes like K4FeCN6, Na3CuNH3 6 times, in which the complex ion is quite stable and most does not dissociate into ions in the solution, are called perfect or penetrating complexes. But the complex like K2CdCN6, in which the complex ion is not very stable and dissociate to a good extent to give simple ion, are called imperfect or normal complexes. Labile or inert complexes. A complex in which a ligand can be quickly replaced by another ligand. It is called a labile complex. For example, in this complex, water can be replaced by ammonia. It is a labile complex. But if the ligand cannot be exchanged, it is called inert complex. If the ligand cannot be exchanged, it is called inert complex or non-labile complex. Nomenclature of coordination compounds. If the coordination compound is ionic, the positive ion is named first, followed by the negative ion. Naming of the complex ion. While naming of the complex ion, the number and names of the ligands are given first, followed by the name of the central metal, then its oxidation state written in Roman numerals, in parentheses, in brackets. Naming of the ligands. Number and each type of ligands are indicated by using Greek prefixes like di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. Di for 2, 3, 4, penta, 5 and 6 hexa. Prefix mono for only one molecule of a type of ligand is not generally used. If a ligand is negatively charged, its name ends with O. like chlorido. Ligands are arranged alphabetically. Numerical prefixes showing the number of ligands are not considered for alphabetically preferences. Naming of central metal ion. When the complex ion is positively charged, then no suffix added to its name. But if negatively charged, the name of the central metal ends in ate. For example, iron ends with ate, ferrate, cuprate, gold with aurate, silver with argentate. Point of attachment is always indicated in case of ambident ligand using different names or by using symbol of the atom which is attached to the central metal ion. If some bridging is there, then for the bridge mu is used. Dimu, trimu, di means for 2 bridging ligands, tri means for 3 bridging ligands. Name of the complex compound should not start with capital letter. Name of the non-ionizable sphere is written as one word. For example, for the first compound, tetra aqua copper 2 sulfate monohydrate. Potassium tetra cyanoniclate 2. Tetraamine platinum 2. Tetrachloridoplatinate 2. Now this is a bridging complex. Mu amido bis pentamine cobalt 3 nitrate. Formula of mononuclear coordination entities. Mononuclear coordination entities contain a single central atom metal. Followed, the central atom is listed first. Ligands are then listed in alphabetical order. The placement of the ligand in the list does not depend on its charge. Polydentate ligands are also listed alphabetically. In case of abbreviated ligand, the first letter of abbreviation is used to determine the position of the ligand in the alphabetical order. The formula of the entire coordination entity, whether charged or not charged, is enclosed in square bracket. When ligands are polyatomic, their formulas are enclosed in the brackets. Ligand abbreviation are also enclosed in brackets. When formula of the charge quantity coordination entity is to be written without that of the counter ion, the charge is indicated outside the square bracket as a right superscript with the number before the sign. For example, tetraamine aqua chlorido cobalt 3 chloride. This is tetraamine. Aqua means water, chlorido, and 3 is the charge of the cobalt. Chloride is the counter ion. Similarly, potassium tetrahydroxozincate 2. This is potassium tetrahydroxozincate 2. Potassium trioxalato aluminate 3. 8 क्यों लगा? Because this complex is negatively charged. So like this we can name the coordination compounds.